Shadim Shari. Good morning. It is Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. Let's dive into some food restaurant stocks for the most part. Casual fine dining, fast food. First up, Wendy. Now, I bought Wendy. I load up here thinking that that was the bottom, and then of course the biggest driver on the downside was the mixed shelf offering that they filed. Basically, they are looking to either issue debt, convertible, or something. That's is the big driver. What they do, I don't know. Why they need to do what they do, I don't know. I look at their fundamental as far as balance sheet, and it basically nothing there jump out. Could they be issuing debt to roll over existing debt? Possibly. I think that's more likely than anything else because I can't see anything else. It's not like Wendy is going on a crazy spending spree to fix the store or open a bunch of new location. They're not. So if I had to guess, they are likely looking to roll over some existing debt, but that's my speculation. Regardless, I do like what I'm seeing here on the 3-day candle. Basically, you have that low. Whenever you have a low that turn into a green candle, that's a good thing. And they follow up with another green candle, that's very good in my opinion. I might even add more to my position. I thought I was done here. My average is right here in the 16.2 range. I start buying up here at the low 17, and then I load up down here. So yes, it's losing money, but I have 125 share, which is not a big position. Can I double up? Maybe. Okay, now, did this stop on a random spot? It's kind of weird. Now, let's do a quick exercise to see if it's a random spot. I spot a head and shoulder kind of pattern, right? I'm just going to draw this in real quick like that. So you can see shoulder, head, shoulder. And let's duplicate that real quick to see if we are... See, not quite. It's not quite. It could have gotten worse. If this was, play out. So, if you were to leave that on and you say, okay, where is the bottom? What if this is a fake bottom? Could there be a bottom here at 14.15? Could be. Is that a random spot? Let's take a look. Yeah, this thing has gotten beaten up pretty badly. Let's do something. No, I don't really see any kind of channel. I'm just playing around here. Yeah, it's not really anything worth mentioning, in my opinion. So for now, let's real quick go back 10 years. Yeah, see, I thought that zone right there is gonna be defended, and I was wrong. It is that simple, right? It's I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything, right? But that being said, like I said, I am thinking about doubling down here. Should it stabilize? I'll show me sign. At the end of the day, it's about allocating capital where I think it's the best return. So if I see other places that will put my money, I would instead of here. But we are at another so-called range, okay? Because if you look at the high here and the low here, you can draw another zone and say, okay, it is at another zone of support going back 10 years. So for me, is there options play? Yeah, I'm sure there's option play. This is only monthly option, so if you're inclined to do monthly option, I would say, yeah, it's not worth much. Okay, if 14 barely you get you a quarter going out. That's not much. That's not worth the hassle to go out a whole month. All right, let's move on to CMG, which I am thinking about allocating my money there. It came down to a fib, also getting pretty close to ref low here. As you can see, whenever you fall out of a channel, it's dangerous and unfortunate that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months long channel got walloped. Can this thing get down below? Earning is coming up, all right? So I'm not gonna, is earning at the end of the month, in 2 weeks, most likely. And if not early February, I have not looked at the exact date, but I'm not a fan right now. It fall back into, now if I was to play, I'd probably play put spread, which I have been doing, selling 55. Oops. Yeah, if my 55-54 spread expired, then I would go into next week, which same thing. Okay, I might even do 54-53. Right now you can fetch 18 cents, not a bad, not a 15 to 18 cents. 54-53 tight spread. Okay, basically you get the 61.8 fib as your defender there. So if you're even more squeamish, go 53-52. See, it's not enough juice. Not enough juice. Okay, but if there is a pullback lower, then to me that's a good one, because I wouldn't mind getting a sign at that level. That's the level that I wouldn't mind getting a sign. All right, so for now I do have a 55-54. McDonald's came down to key spot here yesterday. I was looking at it. It did not fill the gap. It was very close, very close. That trigger, I was waiting for that trigger to go off, and we were, gosh, how unbelievable. The low was 279.38. The trigger was 279.33. So 5 cents, literally a dime. Wow, surprising. You know, that would have been what it looked good. Well, it came off support, the 200 MA, right? So it's not like it looked good. It looked okay, but it's critical here. It need to defend this, and once again, earning is coming in 2 weeks or so. So watch out. Watch out. All right. I would not. Let me repeat again. This is not the kind of earning environment that you want to stick your neck out there before earning. No, not at all. Okay. If the 270 have juice, I do that. Let's take a look for next week. I'm pretty sure it does. That's not bad. Okay, not bad. You can do a 270. 270, 267, that's not enough. But the 267, depend on what you can get, okay, in juice. To me, 270, 265, if you can get 30 cents on that, that's decent. If you can get, based on this, look like you might be able to get maybe 15 cents, which is kind of weird. But I need to see at least 15 cents on the credit on any given spread, especially on a $2.50 spread. I like to see at least 15 cents to make it worth my time. If not, I have to go $5 spread. But on a $5 spread, like 270, 265, I need to see at least 30 cents. And right now, it does not look like there's a 30-cent spread there. But if there is, then that's might be worth it at 270. Okay, because to me, 270, 265, at least you have that that gap fill and the 61.8 fib. Would it be a screaming buy down here? Yeah. I exited the last one. Had to. That was crazy. But I'm glad I bought it down here. I'm glad I bought below 10. Hey, I take a 10% gain in a week. That's fine. Or 2 weeks. That's fine. But I'm out for now. I saw this big, yeah, I'm out. Not sure the reason. Is there any news? I didn't even bother to look at the news. Oh, they whatever you call it. Expect 2025 revenue growth of 11 to 12%. Now I see why. All right. That is very unusual for them to instead of pre-warn, you have a what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Instead of pre-warn, which is something that we see often, it's rare that you see a company come out literally a month before earning to say, hey, we're gonna have a booming year for 2025. Very rare. This might be the first one for 2025 to come out with some kind of positive up guidance like that. But now I see why. That's okay. I'm out for now. And would I buy back on pullback again? Yeah. Would I sell put? Yeah. 10. Let's take a look. Yeah. Not this week, but next week. That's not bad to get 20 cents on a naked put. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that. PTLO has made me money. Small money, but I have been in and out probably 3-4 times now in the past year, and it has made money each time. Small money, but I take it. And that's it, people. I think today is a big econ data day as well. Yesterday was a PPI, which let me see yeah, it's weird because I think, as far as I can remember, CPI came out first, and then the day after you got PPI. But unless I'm completely wrong somehow, that they flipped and put PPI always first and CPI second, and somehow I didn't remember that correctly. But regardless, today is a day that is more important than yesterday. Yesterday was PPI. Today is CPI. Personally, I don't know what to expect. My crystal ball on inflation expectation has been broken for quite some time now, and I do think that the high oil price that we got the past 2 weeks is completely insane, and I keep not getting my put order in correctly. I put in order now on a bear put spread on oil, and it's not working. It didn't trigger for whatever crazy reason. So I will try again today. I failed twice so far, both Monday and Tuesday. It didn't work. It didn't trigger. So I will throw in another order in this morning to see if that will work. All right, people. Good luck. Don't pay attention to pre-market right now because everything can change at 8:30 when the CPI come out.